Here's one right quick on window crank handles, early 70s Fords. This one's specifically for a Mustang. When you've got a wide interior, you go to order knobs and you want the clear. The clear is what they actually had back in the day, but everything you can find is either like this weird knockoff beige or a solid white, and it doesn't work. So what you do is you order the Chinese one. You get the knockoff. It looks real similar to this. They're like $6.95, $7.95, at least they were when I bought a bunch of them. And you get them home and it gives you the right knob. This is still a Chinese piece and you'd much rather have the Ford piece over it. So then you go disassemble it. Here's an example of a new old stock one. It's just a little pin that's pushed in there. One way, it doesn't spin anything like that, but you can pry them out. So what you do is you get home your Chinese made ones, you get in here with a little screwdriver, you just pry back on that and you gently pry in between here. You'll pop that off. Do the same to your original piece. Heck, this is probably broken and half of it's missing anyhow. Snap them back together. You've got yourself an original looking knob on your original crank. You don't have to use the Chinese parts. You can see I've still got the original Ford ones. That's what was important to me. Anyhow, that drove me nuts, and I figured I'd share the info with you guys so you can fix it and not have to sacrifice the color you know was wrong.